Have you ever wondered how AI can revolutionize the real estate industry? It's a question that's been on the minds of many forward-thinking estate agents. As the world becomes increasingly digital, it's clear that artificial intelligence has a significant role to play in the future of property transactions. Today, we're going to touch the transformative potential of AI in an estate agency business. Throughout this video, we'll explore how AI can be harnessed to boost listings, find buyers, increase conversions, and generate referrals. We'll discuss AI-powered lead generation, chatbots, advertising platforms, property valuation tools, matchmaking algorithms, sales automation, referral programs, and market analysis tools. We'll also highlight some real-world examples of these technologies in action. So, buckle up for an insightful journey into the world of AI in real estate. Stay tuned to uncover the power of AI in the estate agency business. How can AI help you to get more listings and prospect efficiently? Imagine a world where AI-powered prospecting tools are your best allies. These tools use predictive analytics, market trends, and demographic data to identify potential sellers and buyers. They're like your smart scouts, continuously scanning the market terrain to find promising leads. And once these prospects land on your website or social media channels, AI chatbots are there to welcome them. These aren't your typical chatbots. They're more like your round-the-clock receptionists, ready to engage with visitors, answer inquiries, and capture prospects in real time. They're tireless, they're efficient, and they're turning your digital platforms into prospecting machines. But we're not stopping there. Oh no, we're also taking advantage of AI-driven advertising platforms. Now, these are not just about reaching a wider audience, it's about reaching the right audience. These platforms use AI to analyze user behaviors, preferences, and trends, making it possible to target ads to the most relevant audiences. It's about getting the right message to the right person at the right time. And let's not forget about optimization. These AI platforms continuously learn and adapt, optimizing your ad campaigns for maximum reach and engagement. It's like having a dynamic billboard that tweaks itself based on who's looking. So to answer the question, how can AI help you get more listings and prospect efficiently? Well, by turning your estate agency into a lead-attracting, customer-engaging, data-driven machine. Imagine having the power of predictive analytics, the efficiency of chatbots, and the precision of AI-driven advertising, all working together to supercharge your prospecting efforts. It's about working smarter, not harder. And the best part? All these processes are automated, freeing up your time to focus on what really matters, building relationships, closing deals, and growing your business. With AI, you can now prospect and attract listings like never before. Ever struggled with property valuation and listing optimization? AI can be your solution. Let's delve into how AI can revolutionize property valuation and listing optimization. First, we have the use of AI algorithms to analyze property data. These smart systems can look at comparable property sales data, current market trends, and the unique features of each property to generate accurate estimates of property values. This isn't just a quick calculation, but a nuanced analysis that takes into account a myriad of factors, much like a seasoned estate agent would. But it doesn't stop there. Once you have an estimated value, AI can help optimize the listing price. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, AI can personalize the pricing strategy based on the unique characteristics of the property and the target market. This means you can hit that sweet spot of a price that's attractive to buyers, yet profitable for sellers. Now, let's move on to the visual aspect of listings. We all know that a picture is worth 1,000 words, but what if those pictures could be enhanced by AI? Enter AI-powered image recognition and virtual staging technologies. These tools can take property photos to a whole new level. They can identify and enhance key features in the photos, add virtual furniture to empty rooms, and even create immersive virtual tours. This way, potential buyers can get a realistic feel of the property from the comfort of their own homes. Finally, AI can also optimize the listings themselves. By analyzing data on what type of listings get the most clicks, AI can suggest tweaks and improvements to your listings. This could be anything from the best time to post to the most engaging way to write the property description. In summary, AI can streamline the process of property valuation and listing optimization. It can provide accurate property valuations, optimize listing prices, enhance property photos, and even improve the overall appeal of your listings. So, if you've ever been overwhelmed by property valuation and listing optimization, it's time to embrace AI. With its data-driven insights and automated processes, AI is here to make property valuation and listing optimization a breeze. How about matching buyers with the right properties and providing them with personalized recommendations? Yes, AI can do that too. Imagine the ease of matching potential buyers with properties that perfectly meet their preferences, budget, and lifestyle criteria. This isn't just a dream, but a reality made possible by AI-driven matchmaking algorithms. These sophisticated algorithms analyze buyer preferences, from the number of bedrooms and bathrooms they desire to their preferred neighborhoods, and even specific features like a backyard pool or a gourmet kitchen. The result? A curated list of properties that tick all the right boxes for each individual buyer. Now, that's what we call an efficient and personalized property search. But wait, there's more. AI can also enhance this personalized service by offering recommendations based on buyer behavior, search history, and preferences. Thanks to AI-powered recommendation engines, estate agents can now predict what buyers are looking for, sometimes even before they know it themselves. These engines analyze data from previous searches, viewed properties, and even interactions on social media to suggest properties that align with the buyer's taste and requirements. Think about it. A first-time homebuyer may have their heart set on a two-bedroom apartment downtown, but after analyzing their search behavior and lifestyle preferences, the AI might suggest a townhouse in a suburban neighborhood that is more family-friendly and provides better value for money. This personalized approach not only increases the chances of a successful match, but also enhances the buyer's experience, building trust and loyalty. And the cherry on top? These AI tools are not just efficient, they're also incredibly scalable. Regardless of the size of your client base, every single buyer can enjoy this personalized service. No need to worry about stretching your resources or compromising the quality of service. So, whether you're an estate agent looking to streamline your processes or a buyer seeking your dream home, AI has got you covered. With AI, finding the perfect match for your buyers has never been easier. Want to increase your sales conversions? AI has got you covered. In the world of real estate, time is of the essence. Identifying high-intent leads quickly and efficiently can give you the competitive edge. AI-driven predictive analytics can help with that. These smart tools can sift through a mountain of data, using complex algorithms to identify which leads are most likely to convert into sales. This means you can focus your energy and resources on these high-potential leads, resulting in a more efficient sales process and ultimately more conversions. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also streamline communication, making your interactions with potential buyers more effective. With AI-powered sales automation tools, you can track interactions, send timely follow-up messages, and nurture leads throughout the sales process. Whether it's sending out property details, scheduling viewings, or answering queries, these tools can take care of the routine tasks, freeing you up to focus on the bigger picture. And when it comes to providing instant support to buyers, AI really shines. Imagine a buyer browsing your website late at night. They have a question, but you're not available to answer. Enter AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants. These handy tools can provide instant responses, answer common questions, and guide buyers through the purchasing journey no matter the time of day. This not only improves the buyer's experience, but also increases the chances of them moving forward with a purchase. So whether it's identifying high-intent leads, streamlining communication, or providing instant support, AI has an important role to play in optimizing sales conversions. And the beauty of it is, these technologies are becoming more accessible and affordable, meaning estate agencies of all sizes can benefit from the power of AI. The real estate landscape is evolving, and those who adapt will thrive. So why not embrace AI and see how it can transform your sales conversion process? Boost your sales conversions with the power of AI. Looking for ways to generate referrals and engage customers effectively? Turn to AI. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing referral generation and customer engagement in the real estate industry. Let's delve into how AI can be your game changer. Firstly, consider this. What if you could incentivize your existing clients and partners to refer new leads and clients to your agency, with minimal manual intervention? Well, AI-powered referral programs make this possible. These systems use machine learning algorithms to identify your most loyal clients and partners, offer them attractive incentives, and encourage them to spread the word about your services. This not only helps you grow your client base, but also strengthens your relationships with your existing network. Secondly, keeping a pulse on client satisfaction can be a challenge. But here's where AI can lend a helping hand. By using AI-powered sentiment analysis and customer feedback tools, you can monitor client satisfaction in real time. These tools can analyze customer reviews, social media mentions, and other feedback to identify areas that need improvement. They can also help you proactively address any concerns or issues, ensuring your clients are always satisfied with your services. Lastly, personalizing your communication with clients can significantly improve engagement. AI-driven CRM systems, email marketing platforms, and social media management tools can help you achieve this. By analyzing client behavior, preference, and interaction data, these AI tools can tailor your messages to resonate with each client. Whether it's sending them property recommendations that match their preferences or wishing them on their anniversary, every communication touchpoint can be personalized, making your clients feel valued and appreciated. So, whether it's generating more referrals, monitoring client satisfaction, or personalizing client communication, AI can be a real game changer for your estate agency business. Embrace AI and reimagine the way you engage with your clients and generate referrals. Elevate your customer engagement and referral generation with AI. What if you could predict market trends and make data-driven decisions? With AI, it's possible. Imagine having a crystal ball that gives you a glimpse into the future of the real estate market. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with AI-driven market analysis, this dream is closer to reality than you might think. AI-powered market analysis tools are revolutionizing the way estate agencies understand and respond to market dynamics. They can track real estate trends, forecast property demand, and even predict pricing dynamics. Think of it as having a digital economist on your team, providing valuable insights around the clock. Here's how it works. AI uses machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data from multiple sources: property listings, transaction records, demographic statistics, economic indicators, and more. It identifies patterns and trends that might be invisible to the human eye, things like shifts in property values or emerging hotspots for investment. But that's not all. AI goes a step further by forecasting future market conditions. Using predictive modeling techniques, it can anticipate changes in property demand, pricing fluctuations, and potential investment opportunities. This enables estate agencies to strategize and make informed decisions ahead of time. For example, if AI predicts a rise in demand for properties in a particular neighborhood, you can focus your resources and marketing efforts there. If it forecasts a drop in property values in another area, you can advise your clients to hold off on selling until the market recovers. AI-driven predictive insights can also help mitigate risks. By identifying potential market downturns or volatile areas, you can steer clear of bad investments and protect your clients' interests. In essence, AI provides a roadmap to navigate the ever-changing real estate landscape. It empowers estate agencies to stay proactive rather than reactive, to seize opportunities before others do, and to deliver superior service to their clients. So, what's stopping you from embracing AI in your estate agency business? It's time to step into the future and make the most of the technology at your fingertips. Harness the power of AI to stay ahead in the real estate market. So that's how AI can revolutionize your estate agency business. As we've seen, integrating AI into your estate agency operations can yield significant benefits across a broad array of key performance areas. This transformative technology can help you attract more listings, locate potential buyers more effectively, increase your conversion rates, and foster a more robust referral system. But let's take a moment to recap. AI can streamline your prospecting efforts and elevate your lead generation strategies. From identifying potential buyers and sellers with predictive analytics to using chatbots for real-time engagement, AI tools can give you the edge you need in a competitive market. AI also enhances property valuation and listing optimization. Sophisticated algorithms can analyze market trends and comparable sales data to help you estimate property values accurately and optimize your listing prices. Virtual staging technologies and image recognition tools can make your listings more appealing, attracting more potential buyers. When it comes to matching buyers with properties and personalizing recommendations, AI is a game changer. Algorithms can match properties with buyers based on a range of factors, including budget, lifestyle, and personal preferences. AI-driven recommendation engines can ensure that your clients see properties that truly interest them, enhancing their experience and increasing the likelihood of a sale. AI can also optimize sales conversions. Predictive analytics can help you identify high-intent leads, while sales automation tools streamline communication and nurture leads throughout the sales process. Chatbots and virtual assistants can provide instant support, guiding buyers through their purchasing journey. And let's not forget about referral generation and customer engagement. AI can help you implement effective referral programs, monitor client satisfaction, and personalize your client communications. Lastly, AI can provide valuable market analysis and predictive insights, allowing you to anticipate market conditions, assess risk factors, and make data-driven decisions. So are you ready to explore the benefits of AI? It's time to 10x your estate agency. Don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful. Until next time, stay innovative.